G'day everyone. It's been a while, but I'm now about to play for the first time with this toy which I bought quite a while ago and haven't got around to using it yet. As you can see by the box, it's a cheap Chinese tool. I got it from eBay. It cost me about $40 and it's a denailer. So like a reverse nail gun, pop it over the nail, shoot it out. Sounds like a lot of fun to me. Shoot it out. Sounds like a lot of fun to me. I'm breaking down some pallets and yeah, well, better time to give this a go than now. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully I don't lose an eye. I thought I'd try a few different nails. Got a little one, got a bigger one, and some thin Merbu. A couple of bigger nails through some pine. Big ass nail through some MDF. A screw. Let's try a screw. That's actually in there pretty deep. Let's see what happens. Not bad. I think that worked. Beautiful. So there you have it. The denailer was a lot of fun, and I think it did alright. So it wasn't bad for the money. So thanks for watching. Oh, sorry, you filming. What do you think I'm doing?
I'm stalking myself.
Well, I wouldn't be the first time.
What do you want, mate?
Well, I was thinking about this Merbu. Oh, it split that Merbu, that piece of Merbu decking apart, which got me thinking, well, maybe it's not going to be all that good for smaller pallet wood. So what I've done, I've driven some smaller nails and a big one through an old fence paling, which is something I use a lot, which often has nails in it, and some pallet wood, so just some basic pine. Now this has been glued together and it's been machined, but it's an offcut from a job. It is still pine pallet wood. So if it splits this apart, then we know while it's fun, it's really only for harder woods and yeah, much bigger timbers. Let's have a look. Got me in the head. Oh. Got me in the head. So we did some damage to the timber, put a few big holes in it. I did cop this in the forehead, but that's alright, safety first. So it'll be interesting to see how that continues to go, but I mean the holes don't bother me because I like the, I like the holes in the timber from pallet wood. This probably didn't have a fighting chance. This is a very old fence paling. But something to consider. And look, I mean, I guess, when you think about it, the nails that are in these are so old and rusted, they're pretty easy to get out, so it's probably not too much of a problem. If you'd like to see me try it on a particular type of timber, leave a comment below and I'll do it. And I'll probably put that on Instagram or Facebook, but I'll update you in the comments. So if you'd like me to try it, on a piece of MDF or pine or whatever, just let me know. So there you have it. Did well on every nail, including the screw. It was fun, it was loud, and yeah, look, if you're breaking down pallets, if you use a lot of reclaimed wood, why not shout yourself? I was wrong when I said about $40 because I checked and it was just under 70 delivered on eBay, but yeah, worth it. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, you can also follow Oz Sawdust Makers on Facebook, Insta, Twitter and Pinterest. I'll also have a website coming soon. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Be great to hear from you. Thanks.